first, let's talk about the Intelligence Bureau report that has called Greenpeace a threat to national economic security. That report has listed 21 NGOs and says Greenpeace is the main international one that has been criticized. It also accuses the NGO of initiating agitations and campaigns against coal and nuclear plants. It says these agitations have impacted the GDP negatively. The report also adds that Greenpeace has violated foreign funding norms by engaging in political activity. It points out that Greenpeace gave funding to the NGO run by Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Sidhi, Pankaj Singh. The report claims Greenpeace funded studies sympathetic to its agitations and that it was planning to target IT firms in India next over e-waste.
If the funding is illegal or if anything is related to national security, which is a threat to the sovereignty of this country, all these are things, if it comes into picture, so action will be taken.
There has been always a general atmosphere that the foreign funding is used to disrupt many of the development work in the name of NGOs and many of them. Not that all the NGOs are bad, not that all those NGOs who are getting the foreign funds are bad, but wherever they use it for destabilization of any development or disruption, that has to be seriously looked at.
All our work in the public domain and is not a Greenpeace has come out in the years or 2 years time. We are in India for the last 11 years. Internationally, we are in the 40 years old organizations. So why suddenly this has come up? Every country we face this kind of accusation that other countries are supporting us or they are promoting us or they are pushing us. There is not an iota of truth in that.
All right, that was Greenpeace rejecting the Intelligence Bureau report. Let's get in a word from Arunima, who has been tracking this story all day. Arunima, did the Prime Minister's office or did the central government call for such a report? What was the trigger behind the IB sending this report on the 3rd of June?
Well, this is not the first time that a red flag has been raised by the Ministry of Home Affairs or the Intelligence Bureau over activities of foreign-funded NGOs. If you remember, when the Kudankulam agitation was on about that nuclear plant, at that point also concerns were raised that the entire agitation was funded by NGOs who did not want India to embark on the path of producing nuclear energy. We also saw that when the Aam Aadmi Party movement was on, which was then called the Anna movement, at that point also concerns were raised about a particular NGO funding that entire movement. We also know that the Ministry of Home Affairs is apprising the Delhi High Court about foreign donations to Aam Aadmi Party. So all this is part of that larger investigation to see which is the source of fund which is coming to the foreign NGOs, and it is in that context that this IB report has been sent. Since a new government has taken over, the Prime Minister's office is a completely new kind of establishment now with a new Prime Minister and new set of bureaucrats, and therefore the Intelligence Bureau resent its findings so far, in which Greenpeace finds a prominent mention.